Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. The other day I shared with you the Core rowing machine, and also later I shared with you the Tida 10. Today we are using the Sony rowing machine. It is very basic for those who cannot afford the Core tank and the Core, which is magnetic, or also the Tida. This one is very basic, but the only difference is that it is not magnetic, so it doesn't use any electric. You will have to put some more effort on it, and eventually you will get the same result. So I've been using this and I still get the same result. The only difference is that it is manual. You have to give the effort to it to get back something. Very, very versatile. You see, it can open and close. You can roll with it backward, front. Open it has. It is very basic, but very, very, very helpful. So, as you guys, I told you before in previous video, in 2021 I had a car accident that rendered me almost inactive for the past 4 years. The journey has not been easy. I gained a lot of weight. You guys can see this a bit belly, but after a long time of inactivity, I say I cannot just give up like that. I cannot surrender to my fate. So that is why I built a gym to help me recover from this, to give me a kind of like, how do we call it, motivation, because I was planning to go to the gym all the time. Sorry guys, I think that I catch the cold, and then my voice, that is why my voice is like this. So guys, you guys should bear with me about the bad audio, of course. So I was saying that I was planning to go to the gym. I keep postponing all the time. So I built my own gym so that I can be able to not give excuse for it. I do have 3 herniated discs, one on my neck, another one in the mid back, and another one in the low back. So this kind of exercise is very good for people who are suffering some kind of injury, because this is low impact exercise. It doesn't allow you like it to do the burpee, all that press, the sit up and all that, or the pull up. You can just use this regularly and you will see the difference. And my waist was almost 48. I'm now down to 45. That means I have seen an improvement. Please do join me in this journey of recovery. We are going to do a section of 30 right now. So let's go, guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo! And you guys can see, right? This movement is like if you are in the water. You roll as if you were in water. You open, you close. You can also decide to go this way, front and back as if you are pulling. Or you can decide to hold. Even with one hand, you can decide to switch the direction of it as if you are in the wave. When you are rowing, the wave is pulling you away. You're trying to like save your boat. You guys can see, right? Very, very intuitive. So let me relax, right? Yeah, I like to relax with the weight.
I can't get over you, I can't. You make me feel good. Gonna make you mine, baby. You are the only
this shit is magical. You see, you have to give. Let me relax, guys. Relax again.
Baby, if you mean it, let me see you.
another section of 30. Now we pull it forward. Oh, now we pull it forward up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh!
Whatever you do, don't forget me. 'Cause you never left my mind, not once. Yeah. Every touch, my heart goes bumping. Baby, I can't get over you. I can't. Oh, you make me feel good. Gonna make you mine, baby. You are the only one I've ever wanted. 너야만 해 난. You 거짓말처럼 나타나줘 내 앞에. No matter the distance, I still want you. All I do is think about the night we sit at the sunrise, talking nonsense, saying how you picked the stars for me, baby. Every minute, every second, you
So another section of 30.
feel good. Gonna make you mine, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh! I know I'm not section, guys.
나타나줘 내 앞에. Whatever you do, don't forget me. 'Cause you never left my mind, not once. Yeah. Every touch, my heart goes bumping. Baby, I can't get over you. I can't. Oh, you make me feel good. Gonna make you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 20, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo. Woo. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video until the end. Thank you for motivating me, for joining the journey of recovery. And remember, this channel is about combining spirituality and physicality. It is about helping you guys stay connected to your creator while still stay in good health. So let's get fit together, spiritually and physically, along with the words of God and some healthy tips. The word of God will bring comfort to your soul and lead you to a more prosperous and victorious life. And regular exercise like this one will strengthen your mind and your body and will lead you to a more healthy and energetic life. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, and remember, humor is not just about like someone talking and make you laugh. You can also get humor in the video like this one I've been making, so that you can relieve some of the stress, especially here in the United States, a lot of stress. So join me guys, either for stress, for exercise, for the word of God, or some healthy tips. I will give you a lot of videos like this. Thank you for watching.